Unraveling Idioms. Get a clue. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of English idioms, and the phrase on our radar is, get a clue. Idioms can be tricky, but they're a vital part of sounding fluent and natural in English. So, let's crack the code together. When someone says, get a clue, they're not talking about detective work. This phrase is a colloquial way to tell someone to understand a situation more clearly or to become aware of what's happening around them. It's often used when someone is not perceiving the obvious. Curious about where this phrase came from? Get a clue likely has its origins in detective stories, where finding a clue is crucial to solving a mystery. Over time, it evolved into a common saying in everyday conversation. Let's see it in action. If your friend keeps misunderstanding simple instructions, you might say, "Come on, get a clue and follow the guide properly." Here, it's a playful nudge for them to pay better attention. There are a few variations of this phrase, like, get the picture, or catch on. Each one has a slightly different nuance, but they all circle back to gaining a better understanding of something. It's important to note that get a clue can sound rude or condescending if not used carefully. It's often used in a light-hearted context among friends, so be mindful of the tone and situation when using this phrase. And that's a wrap on Get a Clue. Remember, understanding idioms like this one can be your secret weapon to sounding more like a native speaker. Hope you found this explanation helpful, and I look forward to catching you in the next video. Happy learning!